TNT KaTropa stormed to a big lead early behind Troy Rosario and never slowed down, dealing Columbian Dyip a 123-95 shellacking on Friday in the PBA Commissioner's Cup at the Mall of Asia Arena. Rosario scored 10 of his 21 points in the first quarter, setting in motion a dominant performance that enabled the KaTropa to join rain or shine at the top of 5-1 win-loss records. Terrence Romeo added 19 points, 7 rebounds, and 5 assists, while Jericho Cruz had 17 points, 6 rebounds, and 7 assists as the KaTropa sent the Dyip 3-4 to a second consecutive lopsided loss. So dominant was TNT that it hardly needed Joshua Smith, who played just 13 minutes and had 11 points in his first game back since replacing Jeremy Tyler. TNT stormed to a 14-2 lead behind 8 quick points from Rosario. The KaTropa were so hot they scored 72 points at the half, capped by a buzzer-beating trey by Cruz from beyond half-court. Romeo's three-pointer had TNT's lead ballooning to 40 points, 117-77, midway through the fourth quarter. TNT coach Nash Rosello said the team made sure it was focused against Columbian Dyip, which has claimed the scalp of a couple of heavyweights this conference. "We knew going into this game that Columbian Dyip is definitely a better team now. Based on previous games, if they start strong, most likely, they win by a big margin. The times that we've lost, they lost big," Rosello said. "We made sure that from the initial tip, we will be able to match whatever they try and throw at us. We were very successful from the first quarter, we were able to dictate the tempo right away," said Rosello. John Fields had 34 points and 20 rebounds for the Dyip. The scores. TNT 123, Rosario 21, Romeo 19, Cruz 17, Smith 11, Williams 11, Trelano 11, Carey 9, Garcia 7, Semrad 7, Pogoy 6, Gala 2, Reyes 1, Castro 1, Niles 1, Satan 0, Paredes 0. Columbian 95, Fields 34, Tubid 13, Campson 11, Lastimosa 9, Gabriel 6, Cabunton 6, McCarthy 5, Cabrera 3, Ababu 3, Selda 2, Sarah 2, King 1, Corpus 0, Cahill 0, Escoto 0,